Brushing the teeth without cleaning the tongue is equally like washing your hands without soap. It is not wholesome. The tongue plays a prominent role in the digestion or breakdown of food in the mouth. It mixes the food chewed with saliva and aids in its swallowing. As a result, it is normally tainted with food particles which produce bad odor in the mouth. So, brushing the tongue is really vital in maintaining good oral hygiene. However, it does not come easy for some folks. This is due to the gagging reflexes which occur when the brush is pushed down to the base of the tongue or close to the opening of the throat. This is how to avoid it. Brushing your teeth without the aid of a mirror is the major reason why you gag. Without the view of the tongue, you are unable to judge how far the brush has gone on the tongue. Thus, brushing past the base of the tongue is inevitable. This is what you need to do. Stand before a mirror or get a mini mirror anytime you brush your teeth. Stick out your tongue as far as possible and start brushing. The use of the mirror will give you a perfect view of the tongue and help you judge how far the brush has gone on the tongue. Remember, you would still gag if you go too deep. All the same, hold yourself up when you brush close to the base of the tongue. Keep practicing to hone the skill of brushing the tongue. Thanks for watching.